How to record screen on Redmi 14C. Okay, you can see in the control center you can using the feature here, screen recorder. In the first way you have to setting, you can press it long like this, and you can select in the resolution in the viewport, and for the resolution you have to select on in the first option, and then to setting the video quality you can select on about 8 until 16 like this, and I just wanna setting to the 8 Mbps, and you can select the orientation auto or portrait or landscape. You can select the sound source, you can tap on microphone, and the frame rate you can select into the 30. Okay, just like this, and let's get started to record the screen. You just tap on it like this, and you can tap on the red button like this. Okay, and now we have record the screen. If you want to finish, you just tap on the red icon. And it has been saved on the file manager. You can put the storage, and you can open the videos. You can see in the screen recorder title, you can tap on it to see. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.